Well, at least I survived from my knife injury. Dude, I got thrown by a little girl. Yeah, because you're stupid, weak bone. What did you just say? Nothing. You know what? I'm getting sick of tired of your attitude, you little shit. You take that back. Oh, I'm not. Helium.
How dare you! I will scrap.
Not like you see a try. Wait, the camera.
I think people are gonna go deaf by a lot. Not a warning when too late.
I'm much better than you. I have my own goddamn show. It's my show. Hello, my Conchacalolilas. No, it's my show. It's my comedy show. I like to fucking swear anyways. Or you shut your lapping mouth, you moron. No, we're a British pushy show. We act American. So what? I don't care. Yeah. Don't throw sprinkles at me. Ow, ow. I am much better than you. Ow, my foot is hurting me. I mean my face. Shove this. That just came up my eyes. My effing face. I feel something wet. The spike! Ow! I just landed my face in one. You know, I wish I was never your friend. Dude, hey, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Please, please.
Please. Wait, what are you doing? No.
Please. You win. Never outstand me, you big pussy. You know, I'm just gonna watch you scream, die first, and then. Oh, right in the belly. I saved today, not you, you idiot. None of you did. I accidentally stabbed through the scissors at PJ. But anyways, I am the hero of here, and you two are not. That's revenge. Ugh. Now, you pussies, I actually saved the whole... I'm the actor, and I saved it. Wait, but if you're dead, who's recording this? Oh. I wasn't expecting that. I'm enough, so yeah! Hey guys, oh no! Why do I feel so much wet? Okay, I think we're done with the show now.